Hello everybody, welcome. This is our Shumatt live channel. I'm Caitlin. Today the product we want to share with you is our hot sealing valve assembly. So if you're interested about this one, please follow me. Let's see it together. Firstly, I will show you the outside packages, the blue VC anti-rust bags, right? And here this is our product label. On the first line is our Shumatt brand. The second line is the product code F00RJ01704. Actually, local label packages all the details we can support customized service. And inside of it, as you can see, the transparent bottles can be better protect the inside valve assembly, avoid some damages during the transportation. It's very convenient, right? Okay, inside of it is the transparent, it's the oil paper to wrap it up, and each product which might supply 6 months warranty time. You got the quality guaranteed. And for this one, the apply cable for injector number is 044512010, and the apply cable for VU Corys, MMZ, MTZ, and GAZ. This is the valve cavity with the coating figures and the groove, and this is the valve rod. Actually, if you want to install the whole valve assembly, first step is make sure the valve cap in the right position. The second step is make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly off the injector body. That's the tips. So much for today's product introduction. Thank you for staying with me. Let's see you next time. Bye. See you.